There are many products available to choose from wine glass racks, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best wine glass racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fommensch Wine Glass Rack. With Fommensch's wine glass rack, you can elegantly store and display 6 to 9 pieces of stemmed glassware, without taking up too much kitchen space. Its compact design easily fits under cabinets, and with self-tapping screws, installation is truly a breeze. The metal wine glass rack is highly durable with a coating that resists oxidation and corrosion. And don't fret if you have multiple types of glassware, this versatile rack can store everything from champagne glasses to brandy glasses. You can trust that this hanging storage rack will keep your beautiful glassware safe and organized. Not easy to bend and long service life, our wine glass rack is made of a bold and durable metal frame and high quality iron. Not easy to bend or deformation, and its high grade coating design prevents the glass rack from oxidizing and rusting, has a long service life. Size. Length. 11.8 inches x width. 9 inches x height. 2.7 inches. PLS, makes sure our wine glass rack is suitable for your cabinet. Number 2. Wollnature Brix Wine Glass Holder. The Wollnature wine glass rack stands out in 2024 with its robust iron and metal construction, standing the test of time and resisting rust and corrosion. The thick bars ensure excellent stability, and a single row holds up to 5 wine glasses. With two 17-inch long racks per pack, you also receive superior value. You also have the option to increase the storage capacity by purchasing multiple packs. To top it off, the wine glassware rack comes with mounting screws for fast and easy assembly. Suitable for many glass types. This 2-piece hanging glass holder unit is designed for you to store multiple types of glasses. Depending on the size, each rack can hold up to 5 Bordeaux glasses, champagne glasses, cocktail glasses, and more. Easy to install. Wollnature Brix Wine Glass Holder under cabinet set of 2 comes with all the necessary mounting hardware. They fit perfectly under cabinets in a few minutes. All you need to do is follow the instructions and enjoy a glass of wine. Number 3. Fox Run Wine Rack. The Fox Run Wine Glass Rack boasts a natural wood finish that perfectly complements rustic and farmhouse-inspired decor. You can even paint or stain the wood to perfectly match the color palette of your kitchen, dining room, or wine bar. Holding 6 to 8 wine glasses, the rack keeps glassware safe and within reach while cooking or hosting guests. The compact design allows it to fit under most cabinets, and the package comes with screws for quick and effortless installation. The more the merrier. Capable of holding 6 to 8 wine glasses, meaning you can spend more time hosting and less time organizing. Not to mention, the set comes complete with all needed mounting screws. Measurements. This set weighs 1 pound, and has dimensions of 11x 7x 0.75 inches. Clean up your kitchen with these mounted wine glass holder racks. They keep glasses out of the way in a chic and simple fashion, leaving you more room for cooking, baking, and more. Number 4. Migif Black Metal Countertop Wine Glass. A wine glass storage rack made of metal with a black finish and an elegant scrollwork design. Features 6 curved wine glass hooks that are designed to rotate on the central pole. Wine glasses are not included. Ideal for setting on any counter or tabletop to store your stemware and keep it within easy reach for family members and guests. Great for use in your home kitchen, restaurant, bar, or wine cellar. Approximate dimensions. 10.25 watts x 13.75 h x 9.75 d in inches. Bring a new level of sophistication and modernity to your dinner parties with this finely crafted wine glass rack. The 6 metal hooks turn in a circle for convenience and accessibility. Display this rack on your dining table or your kitchen counter to offer wine glasses to family or friends during parties or events. With 6 scrollwork hooks, hang stemware glasses in an upside-down fashion to keep them dust-free and help dry after being washed. Ideal for wine glasses, champagne flutes, tulip glasses, and other stem drinkware. A wide-rimmed metal base keeps the rack upright and firmly balanced. The decorative twisted center column adds stability, keeping stemware looking fabulous, while adding style to your countertop. Number 5. Rustic States Smith Wine Rack. Rustic States wall-mounted wine rack boasts a stunning, rich walnut finish that adds sophisticated charm to any setting. Measuring 17 inches long, it effortlessly adapts to any wall space in kitchens, dining rooms, or wine bars. The rack holds up to 4 wine glasses, and has an innovative stopper mechanism to ensure glasses remain securely in place. It also sets itself apart from its competition with a spacious platform, perfect for showcasing wine bottles, photos, or keepsakes. And don't worry, installation is hassle-free with included hardware. Comes in the perfect size. With a 17-inch length, 4-inch width, and 1.5-inch height, this amazing farmhouse chic bar storage creates beautiful home decor on any wall space with ease. Multifunctional. You can use this wall edge to store bottles, or you can display your favorite family pictures on top and glasses on the bottom. Make a statement by storing up to 3 wine bottles and 4 wine glasses depending on the size. Add farmhouse style and rustic chic. Utilize your walls efficiently with marvelous wooden bar storage, and create more space inside your cart, hutch, credenza, buffet, or kitchen cabinets to find everything easily without frustration. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.